What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we gonna do today is just go over a couple plays that we seen play out today. First one up is QQQ. Shout out to you guys that was able to get into that QQQ play to the downside. I called it out. Bears need to break down at 516.35 to start pulling this thing back. Next level down is going to be 515.15. And as you see, Tiger walking that thing down, you already know what's going on. We chasing that thing down. We ready to knock it out of the ballpark. And as you see, QQQ. Bulls need to recoil this red candle or Bears gonna set their sights on 512.10. This is when QQQ is still sitting up there around 516.80, 517. And you see, they did even better. QQQ came under the 512 mark. Shout out to you guys that was able to get in that, dominated, understand the assignment, and knock that thing out of the ballparks and was able to secure profit. That is good stuff. Next ticker that we're going to talk about is Tesla. Guys, we put Tesla on your radar last Friday, and this thing is coming down. It's playing out perfect. Shout out to you guys if you watched that video on Friday on Tesla and SPY, the pullback. I think that's what it was called. But, you know, I put these levels out there and you seen what happened. I told you guys to put on your radar this level right up here at 415.25. I said if Bears start kicking through there, you had one more area that they needed to get through where Bulls could take control and try to run it back. And it was this level right in here at 411.20. I said, if they take that level out, it's off to the races. We coming back down to $400. And if you see where we sitting at right now, we are currently sitting at 402.40. They are definitely trying to shoot their shot to my level. I got it at 400.70. Shout out to you guys that, again, jumped into Tesla, you understood the assignment, and you got down and you got busy. I am proud of you guys. That's good stuff. And you already know, if you rocking with me in the Discord, we walking that bad boy down. And as you see, hold on, we'll get to SPY here in a minute, but let's look at what Tesla is doing. You already know we called this one out. Bears went to kiss my 415.25 level. They took it lower. They want to test that heavy level at 411.25. Bulls lose that level, it gets super ugly. Bears will set their sights on 400.70. Roadmap for Bulls to prevent this is to take back over that level at 420.40. Up under that level right there, Bears are going to try to shoot their shot. We've been talking about this today. We talked about it on Monday. We talked about it on Friday. Friday is when I put it on you guys' radar. When everybody was talking about Bulls ready to blast this thing so high and everything, I said, hold up. Not just yet. We got a pullback. They were showing us in Thursday's session. They were showing us, and then Friday they showed us a little bit more. And I think in my video on Friday, I put out there, hey, this is what I saw in the market today. The Bears were showing us that they got some work to do, and they ain't going to stop until they get to that level right there. With this play right here, shout out to you guys that was able to pay attention in it and dominate it. So you already know we knocking it out of the ballpark. We killing that one right there. And the next ticker up I got for you guys, and this was more of a training lesson today, and this was in SPY. I said in this area right here, 590.65 and 588.40. I said nothing in that area right there. That is premium burn. You don't want nothing to do with that. And guys, this is when I throw my charts out there in the Discord and I show you guys what the plays are trying to do, man, I want you guys to be able to follow along. That's why I draw the lines on there and I highlight the areas. That way you can see this stuff on your chart and you can understand what I'm looking at. And that's what I'm looking at. I'm seeing all this drama in here. I drew my lines out there, and as you see how many times we smacked this area right here, it's countless amount of times. Then they got smacked right back down, came back down to our area, 588.40, and what happened? They try to boom it back up. I said whoever wins that battle right there, as soon as they start closing up under or above that area, that's the direction that we gonna pick. And as you see what happened, they broke up under here and boom, They ran down, and guys, I threw out the area where they was trying to get to. I told you guys they get into this area right here at 584.40. What did they do? To the penny, 584.40 before they start trying to run this thing up. And guys, the proof is in the pudding. We go reverse this thing back. I put this in the Discord, premium burn. I put in this area right here, we are not interested. No plays while price action is within this box. Do not think about getting in calls. Do not think about getting in puts. We ain't getting FOMO. We ain't playing that. Don't even think about it. Get it off your radar. And I said, we got out of that area, see what happened. And as you see, soon as they broke out of that area right there, what happens? You get that big engulfing red candle. You already see the 9 EMA. It's up under the 20. It's time to get busy now. We already know what's ready to happen. And exactly what I said happened. I said, SPY, if you took my break once bears got through the premium burning area that I called out and demonstrated, congratulations, boom. Bears still want to make an attempt at 584.50. Bulls need to close candles above 585.95 to prevent the bears from going low. Guys, I'm letting you know that if you jumped in puts already, you okay until you start seeing bears get back to this level right there. Where else are you going to get that kind of information at in real time? You already know I'm out here getting it for you. And you see, I'm drawing the diagrams, letting you know all of that in that area, in that middle is straight premium burn. But what happened? This that candle. As soon as we got up out of that area that I called out, we continue to drop down. And just so you guys to see that we calling this in real time where we going. SPY bears trying to get back at that 584.45 heavy level. That means that's a take profit area for you to consider, because it's a possibility that the bear's gonna come on strong and try to pop this thing. I said that's a heavy level, but next target down is at 583.85. Bulls don't show up there, it's peace out, SPY. Bulls need to recover 585.50. Below it, bears stay strong. As you see, they went down to 584.45 and then they boomed that thing back up. QQQ had a call out in that right there, but you see Tiger popping that thing, you already know we just knocking them out of the ballpark. So, okay, family, I just want to make one thing clear. As we enter into 2025, guys, the mission is still the same. The mission has never changed. It is to continue to deliver and drop these dynamite fire plays each and every single day, teaching and training. That way you guys understand what Wall Street is trying to do throughout the session. That way you don't get faked out by the games that they try to play. We are not falling for Wall Street games in 2025. The main objective is to make as many people become profitable as possible. That way you can have fun doing this. This is fun once you put in the work and you put in the time and you understand the game. It becomes really fun. So someone said it, it's an old saying, can't stop, won't stop. We ain't stopping. We gonna keep grinding. We gonna keep our feet on the gas pedal. We gonna keep knocking these things out of the ballpark every single day, guys. Looking forward to seeing you guys Thursday morning. Happy New Year. Last but not least, I just want to say thank you for the love and support you guys have showed me, my team, and my channel since day one. So, man, this has been a heck of a journey, but I appreciate the love and support. Words can't express the amount of gratitude and admiration I have for you guys, but I can say I love you guys too. So, yeah, I appreciate it, but even more honored that you guys choose me to be able to ride alongside of your trading journey. So, man, it is an honor and a pleasure. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type level-to-level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Happy New Year.